With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Our question is, we have to find the equivalent resistance between A and B of the network that is extending off to infinity. Okay, so for solving this circuit, we have to know that since the circuit is extending off to infinity, removing a single section won't affect the equivalent resistance. So to find equivalent resistance between point A and B, we can write the circuit as, let's say this is point A and this is point B, and the equivalent between them, let's say it is R equivalent between A and B. Now since this circuit is extending off to infinity, we can write this as this will be R2 and the equivalent after this will also be same as that of the whole circuit. This is because that this circuit is extending to infinity. So this will be R1, this is also given as R1, this is R2, and this will also be R equivalent. So R2 and R equivalent are in parallel combination. So we can redraw this circuit as this is R1, R1, and this will be R2, R equivalent upon R2 plus R equivalent. Now, now all of these resistors are in series, so we can write R equivalent, which is between A and B, as R1 plus R1 plus R2 R equivalent upon R2 plus R equivalent. So let's multiply this R2 plus R equivalent on LHS. So we get R equivalent R2 plus R equivalent whole squared equals 2R1 times R2 plus R equivalent plus R2 R equivalent. So this R2 R equivalent will be cancelled from here, and our equation will become R equivalent whole squared equals 2 R1 R2 plus 2 R1 R equivalent. So this is a quadratic equation of R's equivalent. So we can write its solution by using minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and from this we get our R equivalent to be R1 plus R1 square plus 2 R1 R2 root. So this will be R equivalent. And in a question, we have to calculate the current in the nearest R2 if R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 4 ohms, and E is 12 volts. Okay, so drawing circuit for this, so E is 12 volts, this is R1, this is R2, and here will be R equivalent, and this will be R1, R1, and this is R2, this is 12 volts. Now we have been told that R1 is 1 ohms and R2 is 4 ohms. So R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 4 ohm, and R equivalent, by using this relation we get 4 ohms. Now we know that the R equivalent of the whole circuit is 4 ohms and V is given as 12 volts. So we can find current in the circuit as I equals V by R equivalent. So we get our I as 12 by 4. So this will be 3 ampere. Okay, now let us see the circuit. So 3 ampere will go from here. Now R2 and R equivalent are equal. R2 is 4 ohms and R equivalent is also 4 ohms. So the current will divide equally. So this will be I in R2 will be same as I in the R equivalent. Why? Because R2 equals R equivalent equals 4 ohms, and since the current will divide equally, so I required will be 3 ampere by 2, which will be 1.5 ampere. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.